Okay, so this review is for this Portwest rain gear men's medium. This is a really good quality pair of pants. I would describe them sort of as a sports warm-up material, kind of the nylon on the outside. It's reinforced with this rubberized material on the inside. There's a look at the tag. Some of the features are they do have these snaps for adjusting at the ankle, and then they have pass-through vents, not pockets, but they're with a Velcro close. The Velcro is nice quality. The seams are all really well done, and the elastic band with its drawstring seems to be good quality. They're a little bit roomy on my husband, so I think you could layer them over jeans. He normally wears a 32 or slightly smaller sometimes. Anyway, this does not seem as loud as a lot. I know it sounds in the microphone like it's making a lot of noise, but it's not as loud as some pants that we've tried in the crinkle category. I think we're keeping them.